This season, I'm always looking for recipes that are warm and soothing. So I have one such recipe for you which has a very long history in Rajasthan. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food and let's see the recipe for Haldi Ki Sabzi. Fresh turmeric is easily available during this season, and as most of you all know all the nutritional qualities of turmeric, such as it's an antioxidant, it increases heart health and even improves digestion. So now I'm going to show you how to peel this turmeric. Take a knife and scrape off the skin of the turmeric. In this way, clean up all the turmeric. I've cleaned up some, and I also have a piece of ginger over here that I've cleaned. And now I'm going to grate all these ingredients together. Use the fine side of the grater and let's grate the turmeric. I've grated around 200 grams of turmeric, and now I also have a small piece of ginger. All the grating is done, and now let's start cooking. In a pan, let's heat ghee. I'm going to heat 1/4 cup of ghee in this pan. Once the ghee is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, 2 small pieces of cinnamon and 2 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing, a tablespoon of garlic finely chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped. Cook the onions till they are nice and soft. Next, add in the grated turmeric and ginger. Give this a good mix. Cover and cook the turmeric for at least 6 to 8 minutes. Let's check on the turmeric. The turmeric looks done, and now let's add in 1 tomato grated. Also add in half a cup of green peas. Next, let's add in 1 teaspoon of Coriander-Cumin seed powder, also half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Give this a good mix. Next, let's add in half a cup of churned curd, salt to taste. After adding the curd, keep stirring it at least for a minute till everything is nicely mixed. Once the peas are cooked, let's add in 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon of raisins. Also add in 1 spring onion finely chopped. Give all these ingredients a good mix. Cover and let this cook for just a minute, and it's going to be ready. This sabzi is ready. Let's turn off the flame. Let's plate this. Haldi Ki Sabzi is ready. Do enjoy it with some roti or paratha. This sabzi is full of health benefits, so do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.